Hello, this is Lami Cooks. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we'll be making meatball stew. Yummy. You can have it with your rice, your plantain, your spaghetti. It's also great for kids as well. You know, kids like meatballs. If you do like my videos, please do make sure to give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel so we can grow together. I'll have the list of ingredients in the description box below. Let's go ahead and start. So to my minced meat, which is beef, I would add my special spice mix. You know, it's my favorite. I would add my minced onions. Then I'll add my parsley, half a cup. Then the secret ingredient itself, mint leaves, also half a cup. This is just going to change the taste of everything. I'll add my salt, and then I'll add my pepper, which is black pepper, then 1 egg as a binder, then mix all together. I started mixing with my spatula and then I later on changed to my hands because I need to form them in balls and I need to get it all mixed together. Switch to my hands to make sure the salt and everything is well mixed. Try not to over mix it. Just make sure everything mixes up perfectly. Start forming your balls the sizes that you want. So I'm making it medium. That's fine. You can make it small if you want, any size you want. Have you clicked on the like button? Please do that now, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are not. Click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. Your meatballs are ready. It's time to fry them. In your pan, you add your olive oil. Any oil of your choice is fine. I decided to use olive oil. Put the meatballs in your oil and please do not overcrowd it. I usually like to cover it to let it cook for 2 minutes before I flip it over. As you can see, the color has changed. I tried flipping almost all over. You know, because it's a ball, it was a bit difficult to flip, but I got it all done. Nicely flipped. I covered it for a minute to let the other side cook and then it was ready. Remove them from the oil and then finish up the rest of the meatballs. The same process. Once that is ready, you remove that from the oil, and then in the same oil, that's what we're going to use for the stew. Add your chopped or minced onions. Give it a stir for about 2 minutes. You want to make sure the onions are soft before you add your tomatoes. This is my blended tomatoes and scotch bonnet pepper. Give it a stir. Make sure it's all well mixed with the onions. Then I go ahead with my tomato paste. Stir it well and then cover and let it cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, check on your stew again, give it a stir, and then add the special spice mix that was left from before. Give it a stir and let it cook for another 10 more minutes. After 10 minutes, you can see your stew is almost coming together. You can see the oil settling on top. Add your stock cube or Maggi cube, whichever one you want, and then salt to taste. Give it a stir. Taste it to see if your salt is okay or you need to add more salt. My salt was fine, so at this stage I reintroduced the meatballs with the juices. The yummylicious meatballs and its juice. Give it a stir and then cover for 5 minutes. Let it cook through for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the meatball should be cooked inside by now. Give it another stir. Then we'll introduce our carrots and green bell pepper for color and for some crunch as well. You do not want to cook the vegetables through, so you cover it and you just want to give it 2 minutes because you want to still keep the crunch. So do not let the vegetables cook too much. For another 2 minutes, you should smell my kitchen right now. You should smell my kitchen. It smells so good. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Serve it with rice or potatoes, spaghetti, anything of your choice. Do you want to join me in my kitchen? If you do enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Enjoy the meal and let me know in the comment section below when you prepared this recipe what you think about it. Enjoy. See you soon. Bye.